Hello guys, welcome to Varahi Vlogs Hyderabad. So we're going to do some camping today in our car XL6. So we already have some bed setup and kitchen setup in this car. So let me show you some the bed setup in this car. Yeah, this is only one-sided bed. So we can also convert the entire car into the total bed as well. So for now, I have only utilized one-sided bed view, and the other side we are having the seat. And if required, we can also close this and then have the bed setup. And there's a lot of space that you can see underneath. Yeah, and this is the kitchen setup in a good space. When we you open the kitchen, I'll show you how we cook and utilize this kitchen later in this video. So we have given this provision to attach a gasket to the cylinder so that this won't disturb the entire setup. Yeah, this is the storage space. Then we store all our utensils. So you see lot of space where you can store all your luggage. We use Ecoflow for our power management, and also we have a table mate, which is a kind of dining table for us. So now we are heading towards the Pocharam Dam, which is a nice and beautiful place. So after searching for a long time, we finally found a place to cook, and we started cooking. So we're preparing our biryani. So after having our food, we spent some time in playing some games. We had a good time. We then started playing cricket with our kids. So after having some fun time, we started traveling towards the Pocharam Wildlife Sanctuary. See how beautiful sunset it is. It's a 4.5 kilometers drive in the wildlife sanctuary, so you can travel through your car. Yeah, throughout this journey, we only have seen some deers and some peacocks. So we couldn't see anything beyond that in this journey. So after this, we have completed this trip and we moved back to Hyderabad. Thank you for watching this video.